Student life is the most expansive and formative time for every child. A time not only to develop skills, but also learn a way of life. It's a time for observation, exploration, and to start building relations with the outside world. A time of animated, unlimited energy. So that the small joys of childhood do not get lost in our overcrowded cities, the B.K. Birla Residential School for Boys provides your child with an unrestricted space to grow. Dramatic landscape, open spaces, fresh, clean environment, and a temperate climate make it an ideal place for a sound, unrestrained student life. Set in the open upland country of the Lonavala Hills, the B.K. Birla Center for Education offers any student who comes here an incomparable opportunity to study in a rich and lively environment. Founded by Mr. Basant Kumar Birla and Dr. Mrs. Sarla Birla, this school is a manifestation of the Birla family's love for promoting education. Mr. and Mrs. B.K. Birla have been associated with more than 16 schools all over India, catering to the educational needs of over 15,000 students. It is this passionate participation in nation building that makes the B.K. Birla Group of Industries a leading international business house with a philanthropic vision. Since the first intake of students in 1998, the B.K. Birla Center for Education has built a reputation as one of the premier residential schools in India. Today, it provides around 550 students with an education of real quality with excellent facilities and skilled technical assistance. The students come here from various states throughout the country, making this Birla school a vibrant, multicultural environment. The students of the B.K. Birla Center for Education take part in a unique educational program that provides focus, meaning and purpose, opportunity, individual attention, and a real-world context for learning. The academic block is well equipped with technologically advanced facilities. Here, the students are given a chance to develop both academically and practically. Its bright classrooms are complemented with distinctive laboratories. The science labs are well equipped to enhance the teaching and learning of the sciences and spark experimentation in these areas. The audio-visual room provides viewing facilities for films, slides, video, and interactive learning programs to all classes. The computer room provides opportunities for learning and enhancing computer and keyboard skills. A large number of personal computers with a wide range of application software are available for student use. These are used for teaching as well as providing open access for individual project work. The academic block also houses a huge resourceful library that supports private study, teaching and research in the school. It seeks to supply all material relevant to the taught courses. In addition, there are books, periodicals, newspapers, and other printed publications for leisure reading. There is a wide range of hobby classes to pick from. The co-curricular activities form an important part of the students' personal growth. They help them discover their individuality and find confidence in their own worth. Five hostel blocks interspersed with landscape lawns provide on-campus accommodation to the students. Each hostel block houses 144 boys. These hostels have been designed to give comfort, privacy and safety to the students. The dormitories in the hostels house 18 boys each. They are spacious and well ventilated with self-contained units for each boy. Senior boys are provided much more space and privacy with twin sharing rooms to call their own. Each hostel block has one large common room where the boys can enjoy their hours of leisure. The study rooms provide them individual space for self-study after school hours. The teaching staff is drawn from the best public schools of the country and dedicates its time to the welfare and special needs of the students. The entire teaching faculty is housed in the same campus as the students, making the entire school a closely knit extended family. This entire family gets together in the dining hall for their meals. Food is prepared strictly in hygienic conditions under the supervision of an experienced mess manager. A healthy outdoor lifestyle is made possible by the pleasant climate, many green spaces, and excellent amenities for recreation and leisure. The school supports a truly remarkable variety of outdoor sport. Some of the best indoor recreation opportunities are available inside the school's state-of-the-art sports center. These sports facilities seek to help every student attain as high a level of physical development as he can achieve. The B.K. Birla Center for Education is more than a school. It's a place where the individual dreams, imagination and potential of every child are given their private space. The quality of student experience is shaped by many individual moments, some colorful, inspiring and fun-filled, whereas others challenging and demanding. But the sum total which makes for a wholesome education and a sound foundation.